how to make an origami parrot with money. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fold an awesome origami parrot using a dollar bill. It's a fun project that'll add some tropical flair to your collection, so grab your bill and let's get started. First, fold your dollar bill in half. This initial fold is the foundation for our parrot, so make sure it's neat and precise. Next, unfold the bill and fold both sides inward to meet the center crease. This step begins shaping the parrot's body. Align the edges carefully for a clean look. Now, fold the bottom edge up. This creates the base of the parrot. Press firmly to ensure a strong fold. Repeat these steps with another bill and then attach the two pieces together. This forms the full body of your parrot. Make sure everything aligns perfectly. Fold the top and bottom edges into the diagonal line to create a square. This step helps give the parrot its structure. Take your time to get those edges just right. Next, fold the bottom section upward. This starts to shape the parrot's lower body. Be precise with your folds to keep the form sharp. Now fold the bottom corners inward to meet the center line. This step gives the parrot more detail. Align the corners neatly for the best result. Open up the folds and reshape according to the guide. This step adds dimension to your parrot. Follow the instructions closely to get the right shape. Next, fold to create the legs. This step helps your parrot stand tall. Be careful with these folds for stability. Now work on shaping the body. This fold defines the parrot's form. Adjust as needed for a balanced look. Fold the head of the parrot. This gives your parrot its distinctive appearance. Shape the head to your liking. Finally, fold the tail of the parrot. This last step completes the look, giving your parrot its colorful tail. And there you have it, your origami parrot is complete. Fantastic job, everyone. You've just folded a vibrant origami parrot. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us in the comments below. Keep folding, and I'll see you in the next video.